Today we talk about how can you request data on your Yubo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here, then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do, just click here on safety and privacy here. Then you click here on request my data here. Then you just switching to open video like this. So then here add your email, your username or phone number, and here add select who you are here and type of request description. So and you just go down here if you want to add field and you click here on same, then it's going to request video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.